Ravi Krishna Reddy, also you said you mentioned about 8 months being asked by the district in charge minister, but still there is no guarantee that the people of Mandur will be given a solution after 8 months.
Nothing is going to happen. There is already a big, huge mountain-like pile in Mandur. That is, they don't have any solutions to clear that, and they are asking for dumping for another 8 months. After that, they will come back and ask for another 2-3 years. And there is whatever the alternative that they are suggesting, it is not up and working, and many people in those places are not willing to let their lands being used for another landfill. This is, everybody knows it. Unless these people take some measures to give confidence to the people of Mandur, so that the problem is going to go away, and the government has the will, the political will, and every other moral will. Moral responsibility to tackle this situation. The Mandur people also are not going to let the trucks from the city of Bangalore come into their villages. So every other village who has been identified to take the garbage from Bangalore are objecting to this. There is no, the government all along they used some local chelas. The government, BBMP, they bribed some local chelas and they were controlling the agitation. Now everyone in the village have been told that are united in this cause, and that's why you see yesterday night yesterday night they arrested some 30 people, and they have taken them to 60 kilometers away to Anekal. Today they have arrested 150 people, and I don't know the exact number. They were saying 3-4 trucks, 3-4 vans, and now from the city also we are going. So this is not going to stop any soon. So unless the government comes with some clear measures and gives confidence to the villagers that this time the government is going to speak word, the people of Mandur are not going to stop it. And people of Bangalore are also fed up with this, because it's disrespectful to the people of Bangalore. So the people of Bangalore, for no mistake of this, they have been in the international media and everywhere, they have been subjected to ridicule. This is, I don't think our politicians, our corporators and MLAs of Bangalore have any iota of respect and honesty and dignity. Otherwise, they would have gotten a good solution for this. As I say, this is highly disrespectful to the MLAs and the corporators of the city of Bangalore. Forget about the chief minister or the minister.
Mr. Ravi Krishna Reddy, what we also know is that the people who have been arrested, the people in the villages do not know where they have been taken. At least one section, you know, they are in Anekal, but the others, they have no clue where they have been lodged. So will you be giving them any legal help?
We are also going to go for a PIL probably from our party, and we weren't involved as a party in this agitation. But from today onwards, we are going to in support of Mandur people. I think the people of Mandur who have been arrested, they are taken probably for sightseeing. This is what the police do. This is not an issue with the police and the people of Mandur. It's between BBMP government and the people of Mandur. And the people of Mandur are very peaceful. So I think the police are taking them everywhere probably for sightseeing, these villagers. So that's why they don't want to the villagers to talking to their families. We are in some kind of banana republic, and this is now truly has become a third world country. Bangalore has become the capital of a third world country where there is no law of the land is respected.
Well, thank you, Ravi Krishna Reddy, for joining us and giving your opinions on the matter. In fact, again, arrests have happened, and Section 144 has been imposed across the landfill areas, especially bordering around Mandur, and a lot of villagers have been taken into custody. The pandal has been, in fact, has been dismantled by the police, and they are clearing the area next to the landfill gate from protesters, and this has not gone down well with a lot of protesters. They are in fact again quoting arrest, and the police is finding it difficult to in fact lodge them at places. Also, there are civic society activists who are in fact joining the protests. Let us listen into what the Bangalore Rural SP Ramesh Banu had to say with regards to this incident.
ಇದು ಮಂಡೂರು ಈ ಕಸದ ಡಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಈ ನಿಷೇಧಾಜ್ಞೆ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಅವರು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲದಿಂದ 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿವರೆಗೆ ನಿಷೇಧಾಜ್ಞೆ ಜಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಸೊ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನರನ್ನ ವಶಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ?
ಇದೊಂದು 40 ಜನರವರೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 144 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸೇರಿ BBMP ಕೆಲಸನ ಅಡ್ಡಿಪಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನು ಎರಡನೇದು ಬಂದು ಈಗ 144 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಜನರಿಗಿಂತ 4 ಜನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇರಬಾರದಂತ ನಾವು ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೇನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.